ice rod strike indicators. They are attached to rods to help show the feeble bites of lethargic fish. They also can change the action of a lure and make the presentation more natural. In this video, I will make two versions of a strike indicator from everyday materials. The type of plastic I use is abbreviated as PET or PETE, one of the common plastics used in containers and packaging. It is stiff and springy, and this is what we need. The first step is to cut a flat piece from the container. And then cut off a strip. The thickness of the strip depends on the weight of the lure you are planning to use. The thinner the strip, the less load capacity the indicator will have and the more sensitive it will be. I will test the indicators at the end. The next item is a drinking straw. We need just a small piece of it. This is going to be the line guide. I'm going to cut two slits in the piece of straw to insert the strip of plastic. Now I will assemble the parts. A drop of glue on the connection will prevent the guide from slipping off. While the first version dries, let's make another one. This version is going to be of the same type, except this indicator won't have any parts. The strip and the guide will be made from the same piece of plastic. I'm going to cut off a strip, but leave a small square on the end of it. And then make the square into a circle. The circle at the end of the strip is going to be the guide after I punch a hole in it. The hole can be drilled or made with a hot nail. To make the tip of the indicator more visible, I'm going to paint it red. The paint will also work as anti-abrasion treatment. It will smoothen the rough edges of the guide. If you don't have paint, you can use a nail polish. Once the indicators are dry, they can be attached to the fishing rods. I use rubber bands. Very simple and allows adjusting the length of the indicator to reduce or increase its sensitivity. This is how to test the load capacity of the indicators. If a jig is too heavy for the indicator, you will need a wider strip. That's it, the indicators are ready. You can make a set of indicators for a variety of jigs. I hope these help you catch more fish.